Let's move on and move to the next unit, which is talks about what is cloud computing. So it's a delivery of computing services over the internet, and um, and they involve servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence. So, and it offers faster innovation, flexible resources, and economies of scale. Um, and they're typically cheaper to use. So, why is that? Because it is a pay as you go pricing model. So, it's basically it's how much you use. So, you're not paying for, uh, you know, um, so you're just paying for what you use. So it helps you to lower your operating costs, run your infrastructure more efficiently, and scale, right? So um, so basically, you're thinking about it as a way to rent compute power and storage from someone else's data center, um, and you can treat cloud resources like you would uh, resources in your own data center, right? So, and instead of maintaining CPUs and storage in your data center, you can rent them for a time you need them, right? So you're not buying your storage. I mean, you're not buying the servers. Yeah, you're just uh, renting them. You're just renting. You're only buying what you need, so to speak. So, and the cloud provider takes care of maintaining the infrastructure for you. That's another overhead, and which is being taken care of. Um, and so why should one move to the cloud? So so basically, it improves delivery, and I mean the trends. Um, so so initially, before, used to have software releases scheduled in months or years, right? But now you can see that they release features in smaller batches, and they're often scheduled in days or weeks. And so we're talking about delivery, we're talking about updates, uh, how often the updates are delivered, right? Um, and so augmented reality changes the way you interact with the physical world. Household appliances are becoming more smarter, right? Um, you're talking about IoT. We're talking about smart refrigerators. So to power your services and deliver innovative and novel user experiences more quickly, the cloud provides on-demand access to a nearly limitless pool of raw compute, storage, and networking components, and you don't need to maintain them, right? Because it's taken care by the provider, that is Microsoft. Um, Speech recognition and other um, cognitive services that help make your application stand up in the crowd, analytics services that deliver telemetry data from your software and devices. And there's also a video.
What is cloud computing? Just like when you shop for your own computer, cloud computing lets you choose the power and features you need to run your software. The difference is, with cloud computing, the PC is in a cloud provider's data center instead of physically with you. This lets you pay for only the services you use. Plus, someone else gets to manage the upkeep of the computer. Each cloud provider will have their own selection of services to choose from, but the basic services provided by all cloud providers are compute power and storage. Compute power is how much processing your computer can do. For example, when buying a home computer, you may choose a computer with 8 gigabytes of RAM and the latest processor to run the software you need today. But as the load on the computer grows, you find that it slows down. With cloud computing, you can add and remove compute power as you need it. This saves on cost, since you only pay for the resources you use. Storage is the volume of data you can store on your computer. A traditional computer has limited hard drive space. Over time, you may have to run out and buy another hard drive to store more data. With cloud computing, you can request more storage as you need it. Cloud providers manage the upkeep of the computer, so you don't have to. They will make sure that there are backups, that the operating system is up to date, as well as making sure that everything is up and running 24 hours a day. So as your business grows and your computing needs change, you can quickly bring on new computing resources in a cost effective way.